Good morning. Today we are going to learn the new topic, that is the books of prime entry. This is actually in continuation of our previous lesson, that is the business document. So in this chapter we are going to learn actually the four journals. In reality we have actually the seven books of prime entry, but now we cover in this chapter only the four. So anyone of you gone through this chapter earlier? Okay, never mind. I'm going to tell you now. So we have here the sales journal. Then sales journal is actually when we are selling the goods on credit, so we need to record the things in some books. So journal is what? It's the Latin word. The meaning of the journal is the book. So here we say sales book. Sales book is what, where you're recording all the credit sales. Then if the customers are returning to you, we are running the business, so it's a part of the business. The customers can also, they are pleased, but they can also return the goods to you. So we need to record those transactions as well. So we are going to use the interface to record the transaction, that is called as sales returns journal. Then we have purchases journal. Guess, for purchases journal, what we are going to record it in it? I told you journal is the book. So purchases, that means we are buying, right? So all the purchases, all the buying goods or bought goods, we are going to record in the purchases journal. Especially we are recording the credit purchases. Because for the cash purchases, we use only the cash book. Over there, we no need to remember that we have to pay the money to this guy. Okay, so purchases journal is the book where we recording the credit suppliers. Then purchases return journal. So purchases return journal is actually using for all the returning to our suppliers. Journal. Remember I told you that we have 7 books. So you have only 4 books. What are the 3 others? So 3 others are here. One is that the cash book. And we have petty cash book. And we have one more document or one more book. That means if we couldn't record the entries here in any of these books, we need another interface where we record all the journal entries. Can we record the purchases of the building here? Purchases of the building, purchases journal. Purchases journal is using for what? For buying the goods. So the building is not the good. So where we are going to record the purchasing of the building? So purchasing of the building actually going to record in the general journal. So these 3 things, 3 books, we learn in the 3 chapters. Cash book in chapter 4, petty cash book in chapter 5, journal in chapter 16. So now the next step of this is that we have to follow some pattern to record the entry. So let's continue from the sales journal. What is the template of the sales journal? Sales journal. Every transaction has some history. So history is remembering the date. So our first column is here is the date. Then obviously we are recording the customer's details here. So here the next column will be the date. After date is the name. Name of who? Name of the customers. Then we have the folio column. Folio is the Latin word. The meaning of the folio is the reference. So we need to record the customers in different accounts. So in the accounts there are some pages. So pages needs the reference, like page number. So we need to record it here, the page number. Then after that we have to record the invoice number. So for source for recording the sales journal is actually your invoice.